today's Suburban Homestead, we installed drinking cups for our chicken. Last spring, we added 4 more chickens to our flock, so we needed to increase the water and food capacity for our run. A chicken feeder was added, but now we'll be including another water dispenser. Water is a natural resource that we use daily, and just like humans, our chickens need water too. The only way a chicken can release heat is from their feet, comb, wattle, panting, and spreading their wings. So by drinking lots of water, they can stay hydrated and regulate their temperature. If a hen doesn't have enough water, they'll stop laying eggs and can develop health problems such as sour crop. A crop is a large storage pouch where a chicken can store their undigested food before entering the gizzard. A sour crop is when there is a fungal infection where the normal bacterial flora becomes unbalanced, resulting in a sour smell. So it's very important the chickens drink plenty of water, at least 1 pint a day. There are also a variety of factors that can affect how much water a chicken drinks. Egg layers tend to drink more water, while free-range chicken tend to drink less. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to build a poultry waterer, and you're gonna just need a bucket and a drill for this. Okay, so here are some of the things that you're going to need. You're gonna of course need the poultry drinking cups. You're gonna need to get a bucket with a lid, and we chose black because you don't want to have a bucket where light can go through. Because if you have a bucket that light goes through, that's going to create algae and all sorts of disgusting stuff in there. So we chose to go black with a lid, of course, and I'm going to show you how to build this. So one of the things that you're going to need is one of these drill bits that's 11 and 32 inches. Okay, so the instruction says to drill a pilot hole first. I'm going to open it up. First I'm going to open these up. That's what it looks like. There. So the chicken, every time they peck on this, water will be dispensed. Every time they peck on the yellow. So they'll be able to get a drink of water with that. Huh? Yeah, drinking cups. Yeah, drinking cups for chicken. So we have 2. So we're gonna put one on one end. We're gonna put one on one end and another one on the other end. It's a drill bit. Yeah. So the instruction says first drill a pilot hole. Okay, so I just gotta figure out where to put this. Looks good right about there. Okay, so you put a pilot hole first. You might need 2. So if I put one there, I probably want to have one here. Okay. And the instructions, because there's instructions on the back of this. The instruction says you need 1132 inch. 1132. Okay, let's drill right here where the pilot hole was. Oh, so easy. Okay. I'm gonna have to cut these chunks out. There's like a chunk in there I need to cut out. Okay, so there left a little chunk there. I'm gonna see if I can take a pruner, just kind of cut those out. Okay, very important, you get a perfect hole. in there. I got 2 perfect holes in here. And the instruction says all you have to do after that is just screw them in. So let me just screw it in here. Oh yeah, got it in. Oh. Okay, finally got it in. That's true. So the thing about this is they have these washers that's gonna prevent leakage, I think. So we're gonna get the other one in. Okay. There we go. Okay. So now I made a feeder for a water feeder for the chickens. So then just add some water. Okay, so the beauty of this is there's no leak, so it works really well. Every time they push this, a little water comes out. There's a little water in there. Yeah. They would just pick that. They want more water. Now we close up the lid, and there's one more step to doing all this. That's airtight. Oh. Yeah, I think that's pretty airtight. There's actually one last step for this. Okay, one last step. You should drill a hole at the top for air pressure. There you go. That way, the water won't get stuck in there.
Are you paying attention? About how much water does a chicken need in a day? Leave your answers in the comments below.
So there appears to be a leak on one of these, so I'm going to add some more waterproofing to this. Okay, so these were leaking last time, so I'm gonna use this plastic weld. It's basically an epoxy putty that I can put around here to make this an airtight seal. Okay, so let's open this up. It's already been used. Oh, there it is, see? And I just cut a piece of this. There. We can use this. Just grab a container and fill some water up. Okay. And so this has the epoxy mix, and you gotta make sure your fingers are nice and wet. Like this. Mix it up. Just mix it up like putty. You just got bit by a mosquito. Where's the electric swatter? What? What does that mean on top of something? What does that mean on top of something?
Check the bathroom on top of the medicine cabinet.
Oh yeah, I see it. Where did I put my putty now? Where?
Where did you put the putty?
Sorry about that. As you can see, I really hate mosquitoes. They're the bane of my existence. But luckily, I found the putty and began to apply it gingerly around the watering cups. Once the putty dries, it creates an airtight seal and hopefully fixes the leak. Finally, I applied the putty to the second cup and let it sit for a few days to cure.
Okay, so The putty has dried out and we're going to see if this bucket can hold up to the water pressure.
Looks like this bad boy is ready for production. Alright, you filthy animals. You guys can have as much water as you want. Drinks on me. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, here's some more suggestions. And as always, please like, subscribe, and press the bell for notifications. And I'll see you on the next Kim's Adventure.